Oh, what that? Come.
Outside though, you know? Yeah man, my peeps, you know the sun hot, I get some drink in the system. See that, go on in man, we'll get you back glass.
You don't have to rock. Now we never live.
Yeah man, you see the letter? Alright. Tropical hunter outside peeps, short one. Yeah man, she's vlogging and scamming around about the peeps, name dark shades, like Rachel's. What? Come here, I need to move from here. So we have back a bush today. We are in tropical hunter outside there.
Outside.
Yeah man.
No location, Mr. Guys.
Yeah man, no location. So here we go. And the great security there, you know, great fish bush. Wait, wait, forgot to can't show the on camera. Anyway guys, Nigel,
Back at it like a crocodile, big up for the self people.
As a fisherman.
As a fisherman. Yes, no man.
Yes, the Pete. So yeah, great 7 Nation there, you know, Pete.
Yes, my feet, outside and I guys, fully. Yeah, man.
Alright, my Pete. So you know, so look what I want. Look what I want, Pete. Look what I want, Pete.
Hey.
Iron Cup.
Yeah, man. So Auntie, you there for a second?
I'm ready again, man.
Yeah.
In other place, because you don't know, say, I have to come, I have to show some love and respect and support to some of my favorite YouTubers. One Jamaica Adventures, Vibe Family Adventures, 7 Nation Vlogs. Where you
Yeah, man. She there, man.
It's gonna be a wet
all of them there, so. Wildlife family one of them.
Yes, man. So, peeps, I don't know.
Billy, just don't know why.
You want to start, my peeps?
That is it.
You want to start?
So you know.
Yeah.
I could show them say
Yeah, our brother.
a friendly war we are doing.
Yeah.
No,
No, like that.
thing for the
Yeah,
YouTube.
man.
You
Peeps,
see me?
Mr. Wally Pound
That
now
is
come
it.
and say, I love the war,
Love
you know.
violence and
You see me?
everything.
We don't know violence, we don't need violence. Yeah, man.
Good for them thing,
Yes,
bro.
man.
Believe.
So the great 90s, yeah. I don't know.
Spoil down.
Yeah, man.
That is
it. I showed you how to play. So, yes, Soji.
One while, you know,
Yeah, man.
Rugby Jamaica Adventures. Big up for yourself.
That is it, man. So the One Boom family and friends, guys.
Outside, don't.
Yeah, man, peeps. Remember, go over there,
Yo,
like,
me ask
share,
you something,
subscribe.
So how your beard looks up?
Like a good? You know what, man.
Man, they say no, I'm on your love.
No.
Me just say no. That's why me ask you.
No, not gonna work. That not gonna work.
Nah, work.
Master Jamaica, me come from, you know.
So me say, true they say man, we always have enough beard them.
No,
Scammer, come here.
That's how we shade down
Come
the
here,
bed.
scammer, come here, scammer.
That's how we shade down the
Scammer, we
bed.
know about it, people.
I choose scammer.
Achoo?
Say yes.
Just say yes, I we know.
Hey.
Say yes, I don't know who you know.
No, just call me by yourself.
That's why I say just say yes. Just say yes.
Say yes.
Just say yes, man.
Remado.
Me don't know what you are talking about. That's why me just tell you say yes. Me not busy with it.
Yannick been a challenge.
No, that's not correct. So anyway, peace. Yannick, out there, peace. Yes, Yannick. This is something people know they have full of face. Oh yeah, funny and but.
Yannick hungry.
Yannick hungry. So peeps, Yannick ever hungry. So you outside, peeps, you see me? You outside with a couple of the fam them too. You don't know. See man, yeah?
Yeah, man. Remember good now.
Remember good no. That is it, man, peeps. So you know, big brother there, so you know.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
One Jamaican Adventures, you know. See big boss over there, so. Yeah, man. Watch your eye.
Wagwan, the broom. What's the broom? The broom, wagwan, too much different. I wish that was bad.
Remember good now?
Remember good now? Yeah, peeps, you know, say we know the things, you know?
Yeah, clean up the
So, no, come on, the riverside,
cooking
just
area.
please.
Yeah.
Them thing, yeah? You know, look good. Want a machine for up this up. Be your side.
Remember good now?
You want just like that. That's more complete.
The boom coming in the 1960s.
And all that. You know, say them broom sweep good better.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
You see all the broom weed, if you remember the broom weed, just left a comment. I know enough of you a Jamaican or what from America, you see? Big up on yourself anyway. If you remember the broom weed your grandmother make you used to cut and put on a little stick them, just left a comment in the comment section, see?
Yeah, man. Remember good now? I see you, man.
When we have broom, we pick and tie it up.
What's that? Come in. Auntie, you remember the broom weed your grandma used to make a cut and CPR?
Yeah, man.
You remember it? Alright, so I mean the broom weed is enough, but as I stick we take up and
No,
sweep
it's
up
a work.
Yeah.
it don't work, you know? Good enough?
That's why. By any means necessary.
Yeah.
Watch out.
Watch out, don't find me a stick.
On the feet, so you don't know 7 Nation there. Beautiful from creation, as a Gaza say. Yeah? Gaza say, sorry, you're not there today, Chevy. And say, lovely look out, bro.
Yeah, man. Say it.
Yeah, man. The peeps, say we are crave up some fish and things, some African perch. Yeah, man.
Some
Some jaguar and tilapia. Some silver, what name? Grey tilapia? Yeah.
black tilapia.
Black tilapia, no, grey.
Some of them black.
Eh?
Some of them black.
Yeah, black tilapia. You know, some American them they come from though. Yeah, man, American them come from, man, them big. Them no, man, America. Them big, you know. When they come from America, you know. Yeah, man. The peeps, look what go on. The water move on, you know.
Right now,
Yeah.
just a come up for one camping the tea. I tell you the bags in the book to turn up like turn up till the boat.
Yeah.
But right now, me hear them want sleep, you know, me want sleep, and me so I don't know what that's about.
Yeah.
That's how it go.
Yeah.
Go there, you have to clean up the picture.
Alright. So Javi, where go on, Javi? No come today.
No come today. Come next time.
Yeah, one piece. So Javi out here, you know.
Environment, so
Yeah.
no cool and nice.
Say, yeah, just show us up today or not? I know can I close going there.
Now wait till the food done.
Okay.
Fry some fish and... Yeah, man, done fry some fish and then we go take a dip.
Alright.
Them like the way I'm gonna chat.
Them no sleep again. Since the channel gets so big, them no sleep again. Yeah.
Yo, vibe.
Yeah.
Vibe.
Yo.
Yes, my beautiful peeps, so you doing to host Jamaica Adventures. Guys, due to the copyright music that was playing in the background, we had to cut the audio because we don't want to get copyright. So I'm gonna take you on the rest of the journey. Yeah man. I know me not gonna talk about the whole of this yes man, so Bush did it so Chevy over this season for fish them. Bush get shine, come out of the camera, mum this I enjoy yourself, you know peeps. Yeah man, Javi there so I cut up the season them. If you make a sauce, Chevy still has rubbing in the season, yeah, for rubbing the season, good night fish and my peeps, yeah man. So yeah what go on. Me not gonna chat the whole of this, you know, so yeah what. Listen to the music and tell me what go on. So yes guys, we have come to the end of the video, you know. One day I start showing me such a work the crayfish them. I want us to love the crayfish them. Remember, like, share and subscribe. Big up.